every dead body on Mount Everest was once a motivated soul, so maybe just slow down.
एवरेस्ट जब भी लोग सुनते हैं the first thing that also pops up is dead bodies. You could also be one of them.
If you give up, you die.
Above 7,500 meters, the whole terrain is considered as death zone.
We have 3 people out here who have lived this dream of being on the highest point on earth. Welcome boys.
Thank you.
So how long were you on the summit?
About 20 minutes.
20 मिनट आप जो समिट पे थे उसके लिए आप 3 साल प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे.
Usain Bolt trained for 20 years for that 9 seconds. 20 minutes is still a big time.
When I was in the summit ridge, I could see the pyramid shadow, which only appears for maybe half an hour when the sun rises. I had been manifesting it for 2 years कि नहीं मुझे summit पे उसी time पे पहुंचना है.
Oh, you're actually manifested. मतलब वो visualization and all किया है.
Without that, it cannot happen. Like it helps you so much that कोई भी situation में आप जाओ फिर it helps you a lot.
Coming to Khumbu Ice
Falls.
Fall. How was that experience? One of the most scariest?
Sherpas are the most important. Kami Rita Sherpa, he has climbed Everest for 32 times.
But how are these like Sherpa, like they are men of steel or what? How are you training yourself for such harsh conditions?
To train exclusively for that, he trekked from Katraj to Sinhgarh to Rajgarh to Torna. 55 km long with 15-16 kg weight on our back.
वो जो preparation है, that will teach you more about yourself than anything else in the world.
How much does an expedition to Everest actually cost?
It can be anything from 35 lakhs to maybe even 1 crore.
You can never capture or conquer the mountain. If the mountain allows you to come, then only you can reach on the top.
When death सामने दिख रहा है तो उसके सामने ही सारे प्रॉब्लम बहुत छोटे-छोटे.
Whatever dream or aspiration that you have, giving your 100% is in your hand. Leave the outcome in others' hand.
How is the day there? मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो? आपका ऑक्सीजन क्या है? Did you all even sleep?
मतलब थोड़ा bowel movements भी slow हो जाते हैं तो
We didn't go for 2 days.
Oh shit.